back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting work from home job lead for you. I am always searching the internet looking for different things to bring you. I don't want to be bringing you the same thing all the time or the same types of things. Like, I know a lot of you are looking for data entry, but if it's day in, like here's another data entry job lead, sometimes it can get a little bit redundant. So I have a job lead from Nike today. I do want to quickly note that either you're going to have a lot of experience for this position or you're going to have a degree, but it is messaging in the Nike app that you have on your phone. I know I have it on my phone because they're always sending me coupons for sales. And I have teenagers that can go through some tennis shoes. But we're going to dive all into it. The link, if you do want to put that application in, is directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy the different job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. So Nike is looking for a specialist for their North American consumer care experts. Consumer care, customer service, all around those same lines. It says remote work option. And if you scroll down right under the very first paragraph, it says they're open to remote work except for South Dakota, Vermont, and West Virginia. So any other state other than those three. And this position is paying anywhere from $24.71 an hour in their lowest geographic market up to $55.53 in their highest geographic market. Now, that's going to be based on your location and experience. But what they're looking for is basically a specialist who's going to provide that premium customer service experience. You're going to communicate one-on-one through the messaging within the Nike app. Your goal is going to be to drive consumer retention and re-engagement of their members while simultaneously delivering the measurable expectations of the business. And when it says retentions, you're trying to keep the customer, and it says their members. I do know that they have rewards programs and memberships. They have different levels of different things. They have like the Nike Fit app. I don't know if that is all included, but you're just trying to make sure the members stay loyal. They have the best customer service experience. So you're going to maintain product expertise across all categories and be proficient in both pre and post purchase process. You'll engage with members directly to strengthen their relationship again with the Nike brand. You might also communicate effectively with your teammates and leaders in different departments so that everything works seamlessly together. Now, in addition to serving the customers through that Nike app, you're going to take any insights that you've gained from the consumers, offering feedback to the higher ups on how to grow engagement and encourage the community, working with products and athletes and any trends that you see. So you're also going to have to bring new ideas to the table for improvement. Now, what they are looking for, it says a bachelor's degree, preferably in some kind of communications or marketing, or an equivalent combination of education, experience, and training. So if you've had a lot of experience, they will take that over a bachelor degree. Otherwise, they prefer a bachelor degree. They want somebody who has great communication skills, of course, strong computer skills. You've got to be able to use those Microsoft Office systems. Someone who can be a problem solver and, of course, customer service oriented. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.